Welcome back, aspirants, on MacTech 40. And today it's quite late, but don't worry, we will solve today's question also. So, the today's question is: a cylindrical riser must be designed for a sand casting mold. The casting itself is a steel rectangular plate with dimension of 3.75 centimeter, 6.25 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. Okay. The previous observations have indicated that the total solidification time of this casting is 1.6 minute, and the cylinder for the riser will have the diameter to height ratio is 1. Determine the dimension for the riser so that the total solidification time is 2 minutes. Assume the value of n for the mold and it is constant. So one thing, announcement, uh, those who have watched the yesterday's video, there I have done one announcement, and that announcement is today's vortex tube numerical, but we will do it later. Like, actually, I found this question very interesting. Okay, so what data says that there is a one cube like this. Okay, this is a cube like this, and the dimension is also given. This is, suppose this is a 3.75 centimeter. All dimensions are in centimeter, and other is 6.25. Okay, I'm drawing the just rough idea, and this is 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is the cube. So what question says, uh, initially they are casting just this cube. Okay, so the total solidification time is 1.6 minute. Now what they are doing, they are providing additional riser here, riser with a cylindrical shape like this. This is the cylindrical shape with diameter is equal to d, as well as the same diameter, the height of the cylindrical is d. Okay, the line written there is the diameter to height ratio is 1. That means diameter and height is same. So one conclusion we can easily write here, that the type of riser is side riser. Side riser is used. So there are two heat transfer surface area. First is this top circle, the second is bottom one, and third is this peripheral. Okay, this is, if top riser is there, so what it is given, the d by h, it is 1 by 2. Okay, it is given, and there are only two heat transfer surface area of riser. There is a top and the this lateral surface, not this bottom, because bottom is attached to our mold. Okay, so here up to clear we have. So what is the conclusion till now? That is a side riser, and after adding riser, the total solidification time is 2 minutes. Okay, so, and there is one constant is given, n is equal to 2. So there is something in your mind that which equation we have to use. So you might have know that, that is Korinov's equation is used. Okay, here Korinov's equation says the solidification time for any casting is proportional to its ratio volume by surface area ratio power n. Here n is given 2 for our case. Okay, there may be some different values. Now it is given that solidification time for before riser and with riser. So volume upon surface area, we have the volume upon surface area also. So from that we can find the value of d. So let's solve. So here I'm writing with the yellow. Whatever I'm writing with the yellow, it is when only casting is there. When there is only casting, that means no riser. So what is the volume upon surface area? Okay, whatever I will write in yellow ink, that will be for without riser. So volume upon surface area, volume will be 3.75 centimeter multiply by 6.25 centimeter multiply by 1 centimeter divided by surface area. Surface area, here there are total 6 surfaces: this surface, this surface, this surface, and the bottom one with the same identical here, and the similar at this side, and back side this is a similar one. Okay, so there are, you know, total 6 surfaces, but majorly we can say that there are 3 surfaces and other one are replica, or you can say a copy. So we can write 2 times 3.75 multiply by 6.25 plus 2 times 3.75 plus 2 times 6.25. I am writing here only 6.25 and 3.75 here because multiply by 1 will give 1. So our volume by surface area. So what is the volume? I am writing volume here separately. 23.437 divided by surface area is 66.875. So when you take the ratio, so you will find 0.350, say result number 1. Okay, now the second thing, whatever I am writing with the blue, that is design with riser. Okay, so here volume and surface area of the casting is there, but what add, the volume and surface area of the riser, cylindrical riser, will also added here. So volume upon surface area of this riser, it will be, sorry, volume upon surface area for this design, that is volume of casting plus volume of riser divided by surface area of casting plus surface area of riser. Okay, now we have the value of volume upon surface area. This is the volume of only casting, and this is the surface area value 66.875. Okay, now we do not have the value of riser. So what is the volume? Volume for cylinder is pi by 4 d square h. Okay, now d and h are the same, so we can write pi by 4 d cube. Okay, and what is the surface area? There are basically 3 surface area. The circular area, that is pi by 4 d square. There are 2 area, so I can write 2 times pi by 4, so it will become pi by 2 d square plus that is pi d, that is 2 pi rl or 2 pi rh, that is the lateral area. So 2 pi r, that is pi d into h is the d, so we can write that pi d square. So ultimately 3 by 2 pi d square. Okay, and we will put the value of pi by 4. So here, what is the volume of the casting? That is 23.473 plus, when you solve pi by 4 in calculator, you will get as a 0.785 d cube divided by the original the casting surface area, that is 66.875 plus this 3 times 3 by 2 pi by 4 d square, that is your 4.712 4.712 d square. Okay, now this is the ratio for with riser design. Okay, now use our equation here. This is the equation, n is equal to 2, put here. So when I compare with both these two, I'm writing with white. So whatever I'm writing here with yellow is with without riser design, and whatever I will write with the blue, that is for with riser. Okay, so volume upon surface area whole square divided by solidification time upon volume upon surface area whole square. Okay, I can write here. So what is the solidification time? It is given 1.6 minute. It is given, and volume upon surface area square is, I'm right. I'm taking this square on the other side, so it will become root under root here. So I can write here volume upon surface area without riser, that is 0.350. We have found our result one. Okay, divided by the value of solidification time with riser, that is 2, divided by volume of surface area 23.473 plus 0.785 d cube into, here it will be inverse ratio because it is in denominator, 66.875 plus 4.712 d square. Okay, so when you take this under root, now I am writing with white. Okay, 0.8944, 0.8944, and here it will be 23. When you multiply with 0.35 on this side, that is 23.406 plus 1.65 d square divided by 23 point, this whole term here will come. So I am taking this denominator term on other side and multiply with 0.8944. So I am writing the direct equation. What I will get, that is 21 plus 0.7021 into d cube is equal to 23 point, is equal to 23.406 plus 1.65 d square. So when you take all the term on the one side, you will get one cubic equation, 0.7021 d cube minus 1.65 d square minus 2.406 is equal to 0. Now this is the cubic equation. So how to solve this? So if you know, in engineering service mains exam, scientific calci is allowed. You can take 991 ms. And how to solve this cubic equation, I have given the link of in the description, that very well explained how to solve this cubic equation. So when I solved this, so I have found the diameter is equal to 2.79. Okay, this is the cubic equation. So there is a three roots, there is a one 2.79 and other are minus 0.22, minus 0.22. So the riser dimension could not be minus, so these two are directly cancelled. So only the diameter, or you can say that height of the riser is 2.79 centimeter, or you may get 2.8 centimeter, that is correct. So this is the method of solution. Okay, and the here unit will be centimeter. You have to be very careful in unit. I am already telling since last 3 to 4 months. Okay, so this is all about today. Tomorrow we will solve another one question. Till then, keep studying, stay focused.